Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mobile photography with a truly exciting mod. I'm talking about bringing the coveted Xiaomi Leica camera experience to our beloved Poco X2, all thanks to a Magisk module. If you haven't installed it yet, I've linked a tutorial in the description below. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is the complete overhaul of the camera interface. Gone is the familiar Poco X2 camera app, replaced by the sleek and sophisticated Leica design. It's a refreshing change that instantly elevates the camera experience. Let's dive into the settings. We have a new section called Smart Suggestions. This includes an ID scanner, document scanner, and a QR code scanner. How cool is that? Then there's Live Tips, which is a handy feature that alerts you about potential issues like lens smudges, camera shake, or incorrect orientation. It's like having a personal photography assistant. We also have the option to enable or disable auto lens adjustment. This gives you more control over your shots. You can customize the camera layout to your liking, choosing between different grid styles and button placements. The Advanced Settings section is a photographer's dream. You can fine-tune parameters like saturation, contrast, and sharpness, just like you would on a DSLR. It's incredible to have this level of control on a smartphone. The Lab section is where the magic happens. This is where you'll find features like unlocking extra zoom capabilities and enabling super resolution pictures. It's like having a hidden arsenal of photography tools at your fingertips. Let's talk about the custom modes. We have a full-blown 6x MP mode to capture every detail, a stunning panorama mode, and a versatile vlog mode for creating engaging content. For slow motion and time-lapse enthusiasts, there are dedicated modes for that. And if you love adding a touch of fun, the sticker avatar and movie effects modes are perfect for you. The long exposure mode lets you capture mesmerizing light trails and create dreamy images, while the clone mode allows for some creative and playful shots. And finally, the director mode offers advanced manual controls for those who want to take their photography to the next level. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect, image quality. I've been thoroughly impressed by the results. The colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and the dynamic range is excellent. Low light performance has also seen a noticeable improvement. The camera app is snappy and responsive with minimal shutter lag. It's a pleasure to use, whether you're capturing quick moments or setting up elaborate shots. To sum it up, this Xiaomi Leica camera Magisk module is an absolute game changer for the Poco X2. It brings a professional-grade camera experience to a mid-range phone. The combination of advanced features, customization options, and impressive image quality makes it a must-have for photography enthusiasts. I encourage you to try this mod out and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.